the uniformity of exit poll, that is a good thing. There is no fracture among them in the sense that all these 8, 10 agencies who are doing it, all of them, they are kind of falling at around 370, 375, and some of them were, 4 of them were talking about as high as 400. So this reminds me of Delhi polls, I think 5, 7 years back when Aam Aadmi Party came for the first time. Aam Aadmi itself was expecting about, say, 50, 55, 50 seats or something. They ended up getting 67. The sweep was total. So it looks that, I mean, finally the numbers, how it will tally, we'll see tomorrow tomorrow. But my sense is that it will be with upward tendency. But as far as the market is concerned, I think we are done with the. I mean, it looks that it is almost in the bag that the current government comes with resounding victory, and the current policies will continue.
So that's an interesting point, that the fact that exit polls get the direction broadly right, but sometimes they underestimate the extent of the victory. So what you're saying is the actual results, when they come out on Tuesday, it's possible that it actually could be better. I mean, you gave us the example of Delhi, right?
Yeah.
But we got a trading session between the actual results and tomorrow, Monday. So what is tomorrow going to look like?
Yeah, I think this one day is going to be quite crazy because all the short sellers, they'll be completely squeezed because they have only two choices: either to square up tomorrow, or they have to wait for hoping that real results are not as good as what the exit polls are saying. So you can wait it out for the Tuesday. But my sense is they'll panic and they'll come tomorrow. They'll come to cover their positions, and hence domestics, in any case, they were buying. My sense is that tomorrow market should be quite firm and may open 3-4% higher. If by chance it's a clean sweep with 400 plus kind of thing, because it's a clear goal setting right from day one, even before election announcement. And I think this is a perfect case of what a clear goal setting can mean, even in an election. So he has set a goal of 400, up ki bar 400 par. So if by chance actually this happens, all the short sellers, and I think the mood of the nation, and this is one election which is being watched all over the world. It's not only about what we are going to do. So what happens for FDI, what happens for FII, what happens, what kind of publicity Indian election get. So I think this is a proper global event right now, and these things will sink very slowly. And we should not forget other things are also happening, in the sense that your GDP numbers just came day before or something like that, which is way beyond, almost 100 basis point higher than what the economists were saying. So a lot of things are coming together to say that this party which is starting with declaration of result is not going to be over just in a day or two. There could be correction, there could be selling by FIs, whatever. But I think it's a much longer party and larger party. I mean, larger for longer kind of party it is.
Larger for longer. I'm sure that bulls on the street would love the sound of that. And Prashant, absolutely. I mean, Raamdeo made a valid point. There's GDP data to react to tomorrow. And then the US markets themselves. This is this perfect setting, right? Because Friday was a good pop even on Wall Street.
Yeah. And then expectations there's going to be good rain.
Yeah.
So that's a very important one for the rural economy as well. Just to press you on that point, and Raamdeo, this is not a question day to day, but do you think we will we get a decent move because of these results, right? We make a new all-time high. That perhaps will happen with the up move, the upward correction yesterday itself. But do you think it opens up upside in the near term? I mean, because, if these results hold on Tuesday, then from there all the way to the budget, which is in July, I mean, in a way, it's a bit of a clean run. But the fact also is that, can the markets do a lot in that period? Just your sense.
Yeah, market will do a lot, but let's not be in a hurry. There is a guy called FII. They have almost 15-17% of the market, which is about 80 trillion or 80 lakh crores. They will have a major say because they, in the short run, I'm saying, longer run, of course, market will go where it has to go because many other things, corporate earnings and other things come in picture. But in the shorter term, it is a supply and demand. And today, domestic demand will be euphoric, but foreigners, if they keep selling, then of course it will be a little subdued. But if they turn the tide and if they decide not to sell but actually buy, and that particular thing nobody knows. I mean, no chartist, nobody can say what is going to happen. But if they decide to actually buy or not sell even, I think that can change the completely color of the market.